Today I'm going to be reviewing some of the best black ankle boots for traveling. And in fact, the number one black ankle boot for traveling, which is the Blondo Villa ankle bootie. These boots are a popular boot, especially with the Travel Fashion Girl readers. And if you're not familiar with me, my name is Alex from travelfashiongirl.com, where we teach women how to travel stylishly light and learn how to travel carry-on only for any destination in the world. Our readers love this ankle boot for traveling, and in fact, ankle boots are some of the most versatile and functional shoes to travel with in colder seasons and also in transitional seasons such as spring and autumn. And also when you're going to be going to trips with two different destinations. So it's usually really convenient to take an ankle bootie because they're much more packable than a tall boot or a knee-length boot. Now, the Villa Blondo boot is waterproof. It's available in a variety of colors and all neutral colors. And the reason why I love this particular one, I chose the suede style, is because it's neutral. It doesn't have any particular trendy driven details with it, so it's really just a classic shoe that you can wear anytime, anywhere. It's easy to dress up or down. It's a timeless look, and some of the benefits of having this bootie is that it's a Blondo. So Blondo is a comfortable, waterproof brand. Their boots are fantastic, and they're some of the most popular options for traveling. And comfort is one of the most important things when you're looking for travel shoes. So these are extremely comfortable. They're practical. They have a stacked heel, which is about, I think, just an 1.75 inches heel. And don't be afraid when you see a heeled shoe like this, especially if it's a little bit thicker. It actually provides a lot more support than completely flat shoes. This shoe features a stacked heel, which is 1.75 inches in height, which provides a bit of arch support, and it's actually much better than a flat boot because that doesn't support your feet and can cause discomfort when you're on your feet all day long. And comfort is the number one priority when you're choosing shoes for traveling, because you're going to be walking around sightseeing and you don't want discomfort to keep you from enjoying your travels. Also, walking is one of the best ways to see many of the sights. A lot of cities are walkable, and you'll miss a lot of things if you're going in a taxi or even a train. So it's a great way to see things when you can actually walk and feel comfortable throughout the day. So make sure you always break your shoes before you go on a trip, no matter if it's a comfort shoe or another type of shoe. There's nothing worse than having blisters and hurting yourself, so always break them in before you take them on a trip. And as far as the Blondo Villa black ankle bootie is concerned, they're extremely comfortable. Blondo is a very comfortable brand. This shoe has a rubber sole which offers stability whether you're walking on cobblestones, hilly streets, or different surfaces, especially if there's a little bit of rain, or obviously a lot of rain if you're going to be walking with these shoes. Then you want some rubber soles like this, nice and sturdy, that are going to keep you from slipping while you're walking on the streets. In addition to being very comfortable and practical for travel, it's versatile and it's available in a variety of neutral colors. That way they can mix and match with all your outfits. And remember, when you're traveling, try to choose just 3 pairs of shoes. I love ankle booties to travel in cold weather, rainy weather. They're really packable because they are convenient and practical for the weather, but they're also going to take up less space in a taller calf length or knee length boot. So they're very practical. And that's part of the reason that ankle boots are one of the most popular styles for traveling in cooler seasons. And not to mention, they're also really popular worldwide in major cities, including Europe, North America, and other destinations. So you can take them to wear it home and also on the go. Hopefully you've enjoyed my review for the Blondo Villa waterproof ankle bootie, one of the top best black ankle booties for travel. My name is Alex with Travel Fashion Girl, where we teach women how to travel stylishly light. Thank you for tuning in today. Please give this video a thumbs up, and also leave me a comment down in the comments below letting me know what your favorite boots are for traveling in the winter and autumn seasons. Thank you so much. Safe and stylish travels.